What's up, guys? Evan Bond Author here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I thought I'd give you a little tour of my desk here. So let's get to it. Alright, so first I want to show you this. This is my awesome Corsair keyboard. Friend gave it to me when I was talking about building a PC, and as you can see I got this cool wave effect going on. I love it. Same friend also has let me borrow his gaming mouse. Now, I have all these things because, yes, I do game on my PC as well. So, yeah, that's where I do all my typing. So let me just show you my dual monitor setup here. Comes in handy a lot when I'm writing or gaming. Alright, moving on here, we've got my business cards. Right here on the desk, gotta rep that business card, and, just in case someone breaks in, I can be like, here, take a business card, while they rob me. Whatever. Next, I've got a couple of cars here sitting on my desk from Fast and Furious. Dom and Brian's car. No big deal. Pretty cool. Next, I've got a Funko Pop of Doc Brown with the hoverboard behind him. He's pretty cool. And then, let me show you some of these cars here that I got sitting up front. We've got Ghost Rider's car. We've got a couple of Jurassic Park cars, which is pretty awesome. And then my pride and joy, Baby, from Supernatural. It's Dean's car. If you've watched it, it's a 67 Chevy Impala. And it's cool. Love this car. Got this in a loot crate. And then here I'll show you my Lara Croft Funko Pop. She's pretty cool. Looks pretty badass. And then last little thing here is the Milano, which is Peter Quill's ship from Guardians of the Galaxy. Yes, I am a nerd. I'm aware of this. Next, I got a little Wolverine figurine here. Bought him at Universal Studios. Just sits there watching me. Then we've got Deadpool's Chimichanga truck with a little chibi Deadpool on it. It's supposed to be one of those headphone walker things, but I think he looks a little adorable right on top of the truck. Next, we've got the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. Oh yeah. Now, if you're a fan of anime, you may have heard of a little anime called Sword Art Online, and if not, it's good, you should go watch it. But basically, this is Asuna, and this is Kirito, and then I have a little Funko Kirito sitting here as well. Next, I've got my PC that I built with a little help from my friend. It's nice, I love it, and red, which is my favorite color. And this little guy's hiding over here. This is a tablet stand. My friend who actually runs an Etsy store, 3D Prints, she printed this for me. It's really cool. She does cool printing. I'll link it in the description below because you're going to want to go check out her store. It's awesome. And let's see, next I'll show you a few more Funko Pops. I've got quite a few. Here's my two Pennywise and my Georgie. And let's move on to Ash from Ash vs. Evil Dead. We've got little cute Pennywise here. Boop. And we've got Jack from The Shining. Here's Johnny. And here's Assassin's Creed Syndicate, Jacob and Evie Fry. And this little cool thing, a little assassin symbol. Got that at a Comic-Con, and it's pretty cool. Now, next, I'm going to show you my collection of Marvel Funko Pops. Don't judge me here. Just get in there. We'll show you Thanos, Vision, Iron Man, Loki, Drax, Old Man Logan, Heimdall, Baby Groot, and Rocket Raccoon. These guys are cute. Ant-Man and the Wasp, smaller than everybody. Adorable, huh? Then we've got Black Widow, Spider-Man, Captain America, of course, Hail Hydra, and Peggy Carter. Now this thing is really cool. This I got at a Comic-Con. It's glass etched, and of course it's the SHIELD logo, and it's lit from the base, and it's really cool. And last Marvel Funko Pop is my Deadpool. And actually the fun thing about this little hat that I got for him from McDonald's, from a kids meal, put that right up on top, and if you don't know, my Steam handle and pretty much everywhere else where I game is Eats a Deadpool, because Deadpool, Mario Hat Odyssey, eats a Deadpool, eats a Mario. You get it. So let's move on to the top of my desk. This is my Nathan Drake Funko Pop. He is awesome. But one of my favorite games, all-time favorite games, if you can't tell if you look at my monitors. Nathan Drake, yeah. And this thing here, pretty cool. This, signed by Nolan North. We met him at a convention. It was a lot of fun meeting him. Actually, fun story, my son was dressed up like Nathan Drake, and as we were in line, just about to meet the guy, my son fell asleep. And it was funny because Nolan North made a whole joke about it, and it was great. He's a great guy. Love him. Moving on to my Indiana Jones shrine. Yeah, I love Indiana Jones. Got this when the Raiders of the Lost Ark movie came back to theaters back in 2012. This plate, found at an antique shop. I was extremely excited. And then there's these glasses from each movie. Got those at a Blockbuster, if you remember what Blockbuster is. And there's my boy with my Star Wars photo frame. And now here, yes, this is my name, carved in wood. No, I'm not conceited. My mom carved that for me when I was younger, and I love it. And if you are a fan of the Boondock Saints, you should definitely recognize this saying, and perhaps the lamp with the dual guns the brothers used. Awesome movie. Last on my desk is my John Wick Funko Pop. I love this one, think he's pretty cool, and he'll kill you with a pencil. Alright, now this last thing is, it's not a part of my desk, but thought I'd share it anyway, is because I actually built it. This is my Lord of the Rings Funko Pop set. It's pretty cool. I know I have a lot, don't judge me. I'm not going to name them all because you should know. Here's my Lord of the Rings books, and we'll give a nice, let's do a nice pan of all of these guys. Great, huh? And then up here, and over here. Now this is cool. I actually carved this out of a little piece of wood. It's supposed to look like the Barad-dûr, which is the Tower of Sauron. Little all-seeing eye that I colored up there. And it's just supposed to be a little silhouette, so from afar it looks like, you know, Sauron's tower. Now there's one other thing I want to show you. It's kind of messy, but in this little cabinet in here, this is my other obsession. And don't judge my Funko Pops. I can hear you judging. These are all my Walking Dead Funkos. Yeah, so briefly, we got Michonne and Negan, Carol back there, Zombie Merle, Maggie, you know, all we got a Rick down there, and this one's cool if you can see him, Chris Hardwick from The Talking Dead, Blood Splattered. Yeah, that was a gift for my wife actually. And then I've got this little neat Walking Dead Lego set sitting up here. So you got Daryl on a motorcycle, and you got some zombies. There's Coral, and we've got Glenn fighting some zombies. Oh, looks like Michonne fell down. Yeah, she's dead now. And you've got some more zombies. Oh, they fell down. And there's Rick and fighting off Merle. So that I plan to do something different with these Funkos. I just don't know what yet. I'll update you when I do. So, yeah, stand back so you can take that all in. And that's my desk. That's where I do all my writing. Cool, huh? One more thing I didn't show you, because it's not technically on my desk, but it's always sitting next to my desk, is my lightsaber. You can call me a dork. I'm okay with this. Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to hit subscribe. If you want to learn more about me and my books, you can go to evanbondauthor.com. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll also link my social media pages. If you want to watch more, go ahead and click the links in this video, and see you next time.